Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset Yahoo Mail password. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want to and simply go ahead and search for Yahoo Mail just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. And now this is where you want to simply go ahead and enter your email. So once you go ahead and enter your email, what you can do is simply go ahead and it's going to ask you for a password. However, in order for you to go ahead and reset your password, what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on forgot password, which is going to be right down here instead of forgot username. And on forget password, when you click on it, it's going to ask you for your email or mobile number, and when you enter that, it's going to send you a code on your email or your mobile number, and the code you need to enter it back, and it is going to let you create a new password and go ahead and reset your older password. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.